What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test JetBoil attachments or gadgets, whatever you want to call them. You know, JetBoil is one of the best camping stuff. Well, guess what? You can buy some gadgets to make it even better. This is what the JetBoil looks like. You turn this on and then you can turn on the gas. There you go. And there's a flame right here. And then you can put the pot in and it actually slides in and it stays all together. And it boils it really fast. Pretty simple, right? Also it changes colors whenever it boils ready to go. It's going to turn yellow. One of the best cooking stuff for sure for camping. But if you would like to put a pot, a regular pot on top of it, it just won't fit. As you can see, it only fits this kind of pots that they make. Well, if you buy this layer attachment, you can make your JetBoil even more awesome by just placing this in here. So this is how you put it on and off. You open all of this, beware they're going to be really hot, and then you just slide it in, and that way it's going to sit really steady. And that way whenever you turn it on, you see there's a flame. Now you can put a regular pot on it and not suffocate the fire. This is what it's going to look like. Without this attachment you won't be able to use this kind of pots. You only have to use these kinds. This was actually my biggest problem with JetBoil, because I would have to only use this pot, but I had multiple pots like that and they're pretty much useless with this JetBoil thing. Now no such thing. Now I can actually put it on top of it. It's not blocking anything. Now I can actually use it. Love this attachment. For the next gadget I got here hanging kit. All tangled up a bit, no big deal. So I just untangle everything and figured it out how it works. You put this together and then put the pin in like that. Boom. Oh wow, this is cool. I thought these holes are just for fun. Nope, they actually had a purpose. And then you put the pin in. Boom, now you can lift it up and look at that, it's not gonna fall out. Then we're going to put the pot in, and then I can suspend it on a tree or on some kind of bench, maybe with the carabiner, but it is kind of a hook. Now if you have a carabiner, you can put it on any branch, suspend it like that, and then let's see, you open it up, doing this with one hand, and light it up. Look how beautiful that is. And you don't have to worry about this JetBoil getting knocking off. Just place it on any branch, it hangs and it's not gonna fall off, and easy to boil it, not worry about flat surface. Also you can easily turn it off. Just grab it, got my nice carabiner right here, pull it off. Very nice. And the coolest part is whenever I lay it down and stand it up, it's there, not going to come off. Don't have to worry about it. For the next gadget, this is Crunch It. Let me show you what this does. This is very sharp over here. This is how you can recycle it, by twisting it. I know it's empty. I let all the gas out and I let it burn out, but this way you can actually pop it. There you go. To make sure nothing in there, and that way you can put it in the recycle bin. You can actually pop it a few times, so that way they know it's empty. Boom. I wouldn't do that to the full one. This one obviously I already knew it was empty. Boom. I can actually smell a little bit of a propane have came out, so I guess it doesn't come out all the way till you really pop the hole to it. So that way you can use this thing to recycle all these cans. Let's see what the next gadget is all about. You will need one of these stoves actually. I have put to the test a while back. This is also JetBoil. Opens up like that, and you have here 2 burners. But in case you need 3 burners, you can actually attach this one. Let's figure it out where. Right here. And that way you can have a pot over here, a smaller pot over here, and if we attach one of these gadgets, we can have a teapot over here. So that way we cooking breakfast here, and this one we cooking soup, maybe meatballs, and this one for the tea or whatever. So this little gadget makes 2 burners into 3 burner. By the way, JetBoil, this side here, foldable stove, is amazing. I really like that one a lot. And for the last one, we got here a coffee press. Looks like we would have to screw everything in, just like that. Wait, you can have for the shorter one or for the longer pot. I have a longer pot, so we'll be using this one. And I would assume it have to go this way, yep. By the way, this is what I'm talking about. When the water is boiled, you see how it's turning orange? It means it's hot, but it's not boiled yet, just a little bit longer. But I'm using this system right now, and this is awesome. I don't have to worry about it's falling over or dogs knocking it off. Okay, and it's boiling, so I'm gonna turn it off. Steaming so much. This is the fastest way to boil water while you're camping for sure. This thing helps so much. Okay, let's try this coffee press right here. By the way, I love this sleeve. Even though it's boiling hot, actually can warm up my hands without burning myself. Okay, going to put some coffee in. And let's try this out. Wait, what? I made a mistake. This pot is not the size that I have. Oh well. But it makes sense, right? It looks like it will be really tight fit in there, and all the liquid will go through here and keeps all the coffee grains inside there. What a fail. I should have double checked that I have the right size of the pot. This is why I make this video, so you don't do the same mistake. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Sorry about this little gadget, but it's self-explanatory. It's just a coffee press. It's going to work really well. I just wanted to show it to you that they actually do make coffee press as well, but for different size of pot, a lot thicker than what it comes with. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.